Welcome to Learn Sword and Typing with Vikas sir. ट्रायल पैसेज फॉर चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट एक्सरसाइज नंबर 9 एट द रेट 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। इसकी जो आपको इसकी पीडीएफ है आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगी और टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, वहाँ से आप टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Before the lower appellate court, the matter was once again examined on facts as well as on law. It was argued by learned counsel for the appellants that the collector has erred in law in dismissing the petition filed by the plaintiff appellants. According to the appellants, the earlier petition by Nand Singh was dismissed by the collector or on account of its non-prosecution. The merit of the petition was not considered by the collector. Otherwise, to Nand Singh, having ceased to be owner of the property, an account of registered sale dated 2/1978 had no authority to prosecute the pending petition anymore, and so the order of the collector dated 10/4/1978 dismissing such a petition will not preclude the plaintiffs from getting the land redeemed in their own right, or for the collector to decide the same independently despite the dismissal in default or of the petition filed by Nand Singh. It was further argued that Nand Singh could not be said to be a representative of the plaintiffs after 2/1978. Otherwise, to any such order cannot be said to have been passed under the Act. The lower appellate court, however, did not find any merit in any of the contentions raised by the appellants, and so held that the second petition filed by the plaintiff appellants was not maintainable, and the present suit having been filed after the expiry of period of limitation 1 year from 10/4/1978, the same has rightly been had to be beyond limitation. So the finding of the trial court under issue number 1 was affirmed. Resultantly, the appeal 2 was dismissed. Learned counsel for the appellants, after referring to the factual aspects which have already been briefly noticed, argued that the courts below have erred in law in non-suiting the plaintiffs. Admittedly, the plaintiffs became owner of the suit property on the basis of sale dated 2/1978, and from this date Nand Singh ceased to the owner of the property and in law had no right to prosecute any such petition and any more. So his absence on the date fixed and the dismissal of the petition by the collector on account of his non-appearance cannot be construed in a manner depriving the appellants of their legitimate right to redeem the property in their own right. According to learned counsel for the appellants, Nand Singh could not be said to be a representative of the plaintiffs. Full stop.